Hi everyone, my name is Nigel Brown and welcome to my course Developing Docker Apps Core Principles. I'm an independent writer, courseware developer and classroom trainer for cloud-native software technologies such as Docker and Kubernetes. Docker containers have helped accelerate the boom in cloud-native computing over recent years. It's not just the lightweight, immutable nature of containers running production services that make them attractive. It's also the flexibility and productivity they provide whilst iterating over the inner loop of software development. This course explores the core principles associated with developing containerized software application services. Some of the main topics we'll cover include working with Docker images to suit different programming language types, using best practice to optimize Docker images for size and efficiency, consuming configuration from the environment, and debugging containerized apps from within an IDE. By the end of the course, you'll be equipped with the core principles that are needed to develop software applications in a containerized setting. To get the best from the course, you should be familiar with software development practices and have a basic understanding of containerization and how it can be used to package and run software applications. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about developing with containers with the Developing Docker Apps Core Principles course at Pluralsight.